New Year's Eve, a time to reflect on the year we just survived and make resolutions for the year coming up. After dealing with coronavirus for 2 years, you know what I say? Screw it. I'm not making any New Year's resolutions. I'm not going to look back on the last year and criticize everything that I didn't do as a failure. A failure is really just not getting a desired result. There are many things the last 2 years, I'm sure all of us can share the feeling of not having a desired result. But you know what? We're still here. I'm still here. I'm just going to be glad that the things that people thought would actually bring me down and ruin me didn't. I make an effort every day to look at the blessings in a situation. Sometimes that's really hard. I wasn't expecting to have to move, and I certainly wasn't expecting to live in a mobile home. But all the events that led me to be able to purchase this mobile home were kismet. Don't get me wrong, I did visualize myself living here and being able to purchase this place. There was no way I was going to be able to rent anything close to this size. Unless I wanted to pay $5,000 a month, and I can't do that. So mobile home it is. I guess if the last 2 years have taught me anything, it's to let go. Openly declare what you want, visualize what you want, and then let go. That's a really hard thing for me to do with my personality, but here I am. Here's what I got. May not be perfect. There's a lot of work to do. But me and my sons will have a place to live. And for tonight, New Year's Eve, my son, my dog, and I are going to relax, enjoy the Christmas tree one last time, watch TV, and have champagne and snacks. Happy New Year. Just enjoy being you.